Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of Wonderful. Breaking news: the Abia state government to establish a farm, a dairy cattle farm in the states that will supply the milk that is needed in the state. The Abia state governor, Chioma Otti, has approved the setting up of a dairy farm in Abia State. We are going to discuss about this, but before we do, remember to share, remember to subscribe, and like this video because we are going to talk around about this because this is a bold move by this man. It's a great news for Nigeria and a great news for our neighbor. Stay tuned as we analyze on the potentials for this great state of Abia having a dairy farm, like what Sam Bakwe, Michael Okpara did in the old Eastern Nigeria. Stay tuned. That's a picture of a dairy farm in United States of America. We're going to discuss about this. Hello, welcome back. We are discussing the setting up of a cattle industry, a dairy farm by the government of Abia State, led by Alex Chioma Otti. The news read that Governor Otti gives approval in principle for the establishment of a dairy farm in Abia State. The Abia State Governor, led by Dr. Alex Otti, OFR, has given approval in principle to a proposal for the establishment of an ultra modern dairy farm in the state. Governor Otti gave the nod when he met with the management of the Blue Ribbon Limited, led by Sir Idris Wabara, who visited him on Friday. He said the establishment of a dairy farm in the states makes sense as it will enhance economic development, adding that the idea of having people moving around the streets with cows is outdated and outlawed in most countries. The governor assured the company that his government would get into the details of the proposal with a view of ascertaining the possibility of it being implemented. Giving insight into the company's proposal, Wabara, a native of Ahambele in Okwa East, Abia State, said his company intends to establish the state-of-art dairy farm in partnership with Afrimilk, an Israeli company renowned for its expertise in agriculture. Wabara emphasized the significance of the project in strengthening the economic landscape of Abia State and its potential impact on the lives of the citizens, noting that the project presents an opportunity to enhance the state's agricultural productivity and reduce reliance on imported dairy products. He added that the proposed dairy farm offered potential benefits to the states in increased revenue generation, job creation, heightened economic activity, as well as leveraging Abia's agricultural potential to ensure food security and generate foreign exchange to the state. You know the state of the Nigerian economy now. It is either that we produce or we perish. A political leader we all admire so much said Nigeria needs to move from consumption to production, and our core competence, I believe, rests in agriculture. We know what His Excellency, the governor, has been doing in Abia. We are looking to partner with an Israeli outfit that is quite experienced in this sector, and we know that with them, Abia State will get the best. What we want to do is to feed the local market with milk. We want to conserve foreign exchange and train our people. The Israelis are keen in training our people in local expertise. So we intend to train people here and send some of them to Israel for training. And I think it is a win-win situation to the country. The government will have increased revenue and you will have people employed. And we are not just betting up. We are attracting bigger milk processors and increase economic activity. We will train Abians. So you have heard what Wabara, the chief executive of the Blue Ribbon Company, you heard what he said, and he said also Wabara emphasized and expressed confidence in Israeli partners' commitment to transferring the knowledge and skills in local workers, thereby contributing to the capacity building and technological advancement in the agricultural sector. He clarified that the initiative is not related to Ruga or cattle rearing, but aimed to produce high-quality milk to meet local demands. We are asking the government to support the project to leverage and essentially make land available to the project. And I must emphasize that this is not Ruga, this is not cattle rearing, and it's not national livestock whatever. This is a